Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. You guessed it, you know when you click on that video, I am back to teach you another line dance. And it's by my girl, Bernie. It's Nola time, and I thank y'all guys for giving her so much love. I appreciate y'all. If you located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in the demo and we dancing along to this music, this line dance, please check out the video at the end. I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend presented by Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself, the Nola Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023, and you can book your room right now. For details, to book your room, registration takes place at our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. So guys, are you ready? This is a one-wall dance. The intro is very short. It's only 8 beats and then you start the dance. So let's go. So part one is actually going to be your chorus, and it starts at the front wall. And it starts with a cha-cha, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, step 7, cross 8. So it's just like a regular cha-cha, but you're going to step, cross on 7, 8. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, step 7, cross 8. Once you do that, you're going to step out, recover, weave, back, step, front, step out, recover, step back and front. Okay, that's what we're adding. From here, step out, right, left, tap. Again, right, left, tap. 2 more times, right, left, tap, and right, left, tap. So let's put that together. So we do a cha-cha up, we step on 7, cross 8. Side rock, recover with a weave to the left, step back and front, step out on the left, side rock, recover, weave back and front, step out, right, left, tap back. 4 times, right, left, tap. 2 more times, right, left, tap, and right, left, tap. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2, up, 3, 4, 5 and 6, step 7, cross 8. Side rock, recover, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, back, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. You do that 4 times. Okay? So my right heel is up and I'm going to kick forward. Kick 2 times. Right, left, and step. With my right leg in the front, and I'm a fan with my heels and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And 4. Then I'm going to walk back 5, 6, 7, 8. So I kick 1, 2, and 3. My right leg is in the front, and 4. Walk back 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all of part 1. Yes? So let's put it all together with the cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, up, 3, recover, 4, 5 and 6, step 7, cross 8. Side rock, recover. 1, 2, weave, 3 and 4. Side rock, recover. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2. 3 more. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Kick. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Part 1 is at the front wall. Okay? Now there's a part where I think on the 3rd rotation, when you walk back 5, 6, turn 7, 8. You're going to do this part at the front and the back wall. That will be the change, and I'll talk about that. But basically all you're doing is part one at the front and the back wall. The same footwork, you don't change it up at all. Okay, so when you get to the part where you and fan, you walk 5, 6, turn 7, 8 with the right shoulder coming back, making a half turn. Okay, and you start up with your cha-cha. Same thing you do at the front wall, you do at the back wall. And I'll talk about that later. Okay, now let's go on to part 2. So part 1, remember is the chorus. Part 2, you're going to only do on the first rotation and the second rotation. And it takes place at all 4 walls. So part 2 is actually the verse. Here we go. You step up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's almost like a step dip, nice and smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it up for 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we walked up. Now we're going to come back. We're going to come back on your right, right, left, kick, left. Then we're going to come back, left, right, kick, left. So we click on 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And swirl, 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 and turn. So we're going to do this part at all 4 walls. So you're going to use that third swirl to make a quarter turn to your right, your next wall. Bam. So when I swirl that third time, I swirl, I turn, and I keep my heel up. And then I step 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it up for 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Swirl 1, 2, turn 3, and 4. Okay? So part 2 is your step dip. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, I forgot my kick back. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step dip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8. Step kick back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, turn 7, 8. That is your part 2. You're going to do the same thing at all 4 walls. So remember, part 2 is your chorus. So you do that at all 4 walls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 kick, 2 and 3 kick, 4 swirl, 5, 6 turn, 7, 8. Then you do it at this wall. Then you do it at this wall and you wind back here at your front. Okay, so I gave you part 1 and part 2. Let's put that together. Here we go. 5, 6, from the top. 1 and 2, up, 3, recover. 4, 5, then 6, step 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, then 6, 7, and 8. Kick 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step kick your act. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Swirl. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Swirl. 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. All 4 walls. Okay? All right. Now let's go to our bridge. Our bridge is going to be just at the front wall. We're doing the same thing on the right foot, going to the left, on the left foot, going to the right. It starts with a cross on the right. 1, step 2, 3, step 4. Weave 5, then 6 and 7, tap 8. So when I weave, I go to the front. 5 and 6 and 7, tap 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6 and 7, 8. Up, 1, 2. Walk easy. 3, 4. Back, 5, 6. Coaster out. Prepping to go to this side. On the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Weave 5, then 6 and 7. Tap 8. Up, 1, 2. Walk easy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Coaster tap. back with your part two. Now, with your walk easy, if you don't want to turn back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here's the modification. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock up and just rock back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coaster out. 1, 2, 3, 4. We 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coaster tap. And then start the dance with part two. Okay? So I've given you every part that you need. Now let me give you the rotation. It's Nola time. The intro is only 8 counts. Then you start the dance. So you do the first rotation, part 1, at the front wall, which is just cha-cha up. Okay? Then you go to part 2. Part 2 is the verse. When you do that, all 4 walls. Okay? Then you come back here. It's rotation 2. So you do it just as rotation 1. First part 1, then you do part 2, all 4 walls. Okay? Now you get to the third rotation. You're back here. You do part 1, which is really the chorus. But you're going to do it twice. You're going to do it twice by doing a half turn. So instead of staying here and doing it twice at the same wall, you're going to do it at the front and back wall. How does that look? Let me show you. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Kick 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You make a half turn with the right shoulder coming back on 7, 8. And when you get here, you start it over again. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. You're going to do the same footwork. It doesn't change. All you're doing is the front and back wall because that's the chorus. So instead of doing it at the front wall 2 times, she just changed it up, did a half turn, and do it at the back wall. Okay? That's on the third rotation. Then come the bridge. I showed you the bridge. The bridge is right here. Okay? And I showed you the modification if you don't want to do the turn. Okay? And then we go to rotation 4. Rotation 4 is part 2. I'm sorry. Part 1, you do it at the front and the back wall as you did it on the third rotation. So actually, rotation 1 and 2 are the same. Which you do part 1 on the front wall, you do part 2, all 4 walls. That's on your first and your second rotation. Your third rotation, you do part 1 on the front and the back wall. Then the bridge. Rotation 4, you do on the front and back wall. End of dance. I will post the demo at the end. And also, make sure you check out the Nola Southern Experience. We would love to have you as our guest. Please visit our website for details. The Nola Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. All details are on our website. www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I thank you for giving Bernie so much love, and I'll see you the next time.